hi. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how can we rent out the property as soon as we know that actually the owner want to pass the tenancy management to us. So the owner concern is actually how fast we can help them to rent out the property. So with that, then I'm not relying on the normal marketing. So in fact, the first thing that I did is I find the area specialist of Klang, especially the Imperial agent who are specialized to market the property. So now I would like to share with you how I got this agent. So there are many ways that we can get the agents, either actually by putting the contact into the platform, right? So now let us go to so what actually we can do is we need to go to Google. We just need to actually make sure that we put in the we call the keywords, the right keyword for us to find the result, the right information that we want. So the keywords actually usually what we will be going to do is that because the property is actually for rental, so then I want to find the real estate agents who are specialized at area, and they did a lot of different kind of the marketing as well. So then these are the people that they definitely have some contacts and existing customer. So when we come in here, then we can see property for rent at Imperial Residency Bukit Tinggi. So this is the keyword that actually we can find the agents. All right. So then what we're going to do is that we click in. So from here, what actually we can do is we know that actually this Joanna Chong is the agent who did some advertisement. Alan Tan, then Alan Tan actually did quite a lot of the advertisement here, and also Alex Go, Alex Lee, Wayne Stan. So these are the agent that will be likely focused in the area, or they maybe have 1 or 2 units there. All right, so then this batch of the property is a bit different, is because it's a lock-in project. So then the owner will pass the property to us lah. So then this is actually we can do a lot of different co-broking, especially after we sign the this tenant management agreement with them. So what we're going to do is that we can actually compile all the different agents and send them the information. So there are 84 results in this property for rent at Imperial Residence. So same thing actually when we are getting a different properties in hand. So if we want to actually rent out the property as soon as possible, so that we are able to manage the property. So this is the faster way for us to So the faster way for us to actually get the units rent out. All right. So basically, what actually we can do is I just show you the example. So we click in this information. All right. So then from here, then you can see that this is a WhatsApp contact. So what you can do is you go to the prepare template. All right. So this is Imperial. Okay, so basically you can actually preset the template like this one for rent. So Imperial Residency, how many units available, this one I will take up, right? So the build up and some information, then you welcome them to co-broke. So then after that, then what do you do is you actually copy this one to send it over to them, right? So basically just like this one, then you just copy. All right, then what do you need to do is you just copy already, then you go back to Imperial, the message, you just delete this thing. So after that, you just send this one to them. Maybe you do some introductions about yourself. Okay, I am Amenny from Oneworld Real Estate Group. So you will say, I have unit from owner urgently. And so then after that, what do? Is you just send this information over, see whether the agent will respond to you or not. Okay, so then assuming that actually I got the two different agents now working very closely with me, right? So then let me actually just go in to find, okay, like this agent. So in fact, for the past few days, what I did is you can see actually from the beginning. Good morning, I'm Amenny from Oneworld. My owner got few units at of Klang Imperial Condo to let. Do you focus in the condo now? And this agent actually replied, hi, good morning. I'm Kenny. So then I say that this one is actually given by one of the developer staff lah. I got a team specialized in Imperial. How many units you have? I say I got actually 40 units lah. But first batch is 8 unit already fitted, but actually it's not 8 unit. It's later on I found out it's only 5 units being fitted. So is it a furnished or without furnished? I told the agent it's partly furnished. So what is the owner expected rental? So basically, I sometimes we not really know that the actual market. We are not the specialists in that area. So with that, I rather actually we ask them what will be the rental for the them to market, so that we can speed up the whole process. So then you can see what we did here. So then after that, I did is I pass the ball back to him. I say as long as it's a market rental, lower and also acceptable lah. Okay, so because the time are tough so I can convince them. Then I send some of the property informations to this agent. Then so he said, okay, how will be the commission and so on. Then I tell him the commission is 1 month. Then he said too low. Then I say, okay lah. Then in that case, then we actually go on 50-50. Then I try to request higher. Then he said he will discuss with the team. So then in the evening, then he say his team actually got someone requesting to rent the property. Then the commission is need to discuss further. So then after that, what I did is I sent another template. This one is actually the tenant's profile template. This is very important because we need to get the information so that when we are talking to the owner, then it's actually more easy. Even though you are not the real estate agent, but somehow you need to understand when you are working with different agents or corporate agents, or you are working with the PIC of the owner representative. So all this is the information that we need to get in advance so that we are able to convince the owner to rent out the property. So then this is the template that actually Kenny doing for me. So then he said the market rental is actually 2002 to 2003. Fully furnished is 2006 to 2008. And after that, this is the tenant profile. All right. So then the tenant actually profile, then this is the part that actually the co-agent send it back to me. And this is a very clear process and also a very clear checklist that we are able to feedback to the PIC. So basically, this is how I'm getting the corporate agent to speed up the rental process so that after we got the rental ready, then we can manage the property and also answer to the property owner. All right, so basically this is the videos that I would like to share about how are we going to help the owner to speed up the process of finding the tenants for the units. So this is the one of the video that actually you can probably go back to watch 2-3 times so that actually you can understand how to find the right keyword to search the corporate agent to help us to speed up the renting process. Okay, thank you. I'll see you in the next video.